Hello, this is Daniel, and today I am going to be showing you how to set up your minimum ventilation growth curve in the Supra-Touch. First, we'll go into the menu, and then I will go to configuration. I'll go to zone control mode and make sure that this use minimum ventilation curve in the zone that you want to use or have it active in is checked, and then we'll save that. So now that I've activated my minimum ventilation curve in zone 1, I will go to settings, staged ventilation, and ventilation curve. Here we can see zone 1 is in current day number 1. If we look at the other zones, 2, 3, and 4, the current day will say off because because the minimum ventilation curve is inactive in these zones. So, programming the curve itself, we've got our zone. We can set up the current day. Generally, of course, you'll want to start on day number 1. You can adjust your restart day depending on what sort of a cycle you are working with, how long you want your curve to run for. And then it is very similar to a growth curve in that we have 7 different steps. You can say which day the step starts on. And then rather than having a set point that is changing, we're going to be changing our minimum ventilation rate. So this is the ventilation curve is used in staged ventilation groups. And basically it's a way of automating the idle speed of your variable fans. So as your livestock gets older, they get larger, they need more fresh air, more oxygen. And so rather than manually ramping up those idle speed rates, you can use a minimum ventilation curve to slowly ramp up your idle speed rates here from 20% on day 1 all the way up to 50% by day 64. And this is just the default curve, but of course, you can adjust it for your own needs, adjust it exactly how you want as far as when your steps will adjust and what sort of a percentage you are going to be adjusting to. Once you've got it set up how you want it, just hit the check mark to save, and that's it. I will see you guys in the next video.